How's it going, everybody? I just wanted to go through a quick video. I'm Wicked Tom. We're going to go over battery removal. This will work on all of our bikes currently. So the only thing you're really going to need is a 4mm Allen wrench. Make sure your bike's on a stable platform. Make sure your battery is off. If you don't know where that's at, it's on the bottom position here. All right, it's going to be clicked down towards the rear. All right, and a good way to check is if you hit the on the screen, nothing should appear on the screen. If you look down here, there's two small Allen wrenches. There's one here, all right, and then there's another one in the front of the tank. All right, those are both 4mm. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. These shouldn't be super tight, and when you go back together, make sure you don't over tighten these. You could damage the threads or the plastics on the sides of the tank. Notice that you have a tab here on the rear and then, or the front and the rear. All right, so pull from the bottom first and then down. Keep track of your Allen screws and make sure that you set your tank down in a place where you're not going to scratch it. So find a towel or something instead of. And that's it for our tank remover. Now you'll see we have some wires here. We can explain those all later, but this is your battery pack. This is what runs the whole show. As you can see, we also have 4 screws that hold the battery. All right, again, just verify that the battery's off. Your screws in a nice safe place. All right, now if you look at the bottom of the wire, all right, for the batteries coming out, this is what we're looking for. This is our first one right there. All right, and now everything that's in here can only go into one spot. So if you want to label wires and you're one of those people who wants to stay organized, you can label wires, but it's really not necessary. Now, the one thing you might have concerns with, all right, is this is the other battery wire that comes out of here. This will still hold a charge, so it might be a good idea, safety-wise, to take some electrical tape and wrap it around these 2 prongs. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to go ahead and remove this last screw. Make sure you have a firm hand on this battery so it doesn't drop out. They're tough, but you don't want to have to find out. So just gently work this back, and there we go. That's our battery removal. We're good to go.